Have you heard the news? You can use adverb clauses to add context and express relationships between ideas in a sentence. These useful phrases modify other words and phrases by providing interesting information about the place, time, manner, certainty, frequency, or other circumstances of activity denoted by the verbs or verb phrases in the sentences. All adverb clauses answer one of the classic adverb questions: when, why, how, where. There are different types of adverb clauses: time, place, manner, and condition. Adverb clauses of time: after, before, since, until, when, whenever, while. After, time following an event. I began to write a travel blog after I started a grammar class. Before, time preceding an event. Before I studied grammar, I lacked confidence to speak and write in English. Since, time period from the event to this time. Use the present perfect tense. My confidence has improved since I started studying grammar. When, a specific point or period of time. When I started grammar class, I liked it immediately. While, a period in time occurring simultaneously. My writing and grammar improved while I was in class. Whenever, anytime. Whenever I log on to English class, I learn new things. Until, an unknown point in the past up to another event. I'll keep studying until I understand grammar. Notice the placement of the adverb clause. It can be placed at the start of the sentence as part of a dependent clause, or it can be placed in the middle of the sentence. If it is placed at the start of a sentence, a comma is needed. If it is placed in the middle of the sentence, no comma is needed. Adverb clauses of place. Where, wherever. Where, a definite place. There's a dog beach in San Diego where you can let your pet play. Wherever, any place. Wherever you see dogs frolicking, happiness is sure to be in the air. Remember, if the adverb clause is placed at the start of a sentence, a comma follows the dependent clause. Here you see a comma between frolicking and happiness. No comma is needed if the adverb clause is in the middle of the sentence. Adverb clauses of manner. As if, as though. As, in that way. You can enjoy the dog park as you enjoy the zoo. In other words, you can enjoy the dog park as much as you enjoy the zoo. As if or as though. Either the idea that follows is possible, or it may be untrue. Dogs often behave as if, or as though, each day is a beautiful new beginning. That expresses a possibility. Dogs often behave as if, or as though, they are human, and that is clearly not possible. As is like the other adverb clauses because it can be placed at the start of the sentence or in the middle. However, as if and as though cannot be placed at the start of a sentence. They are always placed in the middle. Adverb clauses of condition. as long as, if, in case, unless, whether or not, as long as, if. Condition 1 must be true for condition 2 to occur or be true. As long as you log on to class, you'll learn grammar tips. You'll learn grammar tips if you log on to grammar class. In case is used to describe possible future situations. In case we need to stop at the store, I'll bring my wallet. Unless, if one is true, 2 will not happen. Or, if one is untrue, 2 will happen. Unless you log on to class, you won't learn. You will learn unless you don't log on to class. Whether or not. One situation does not depend on the other situation. Whether or not you have a dog, you'll enjoy the dog beach. In other words, if you have the dog, if you don't have the dog, you'll still enjoy the beach. Whether or not can also indicate a choice. I'm not sure whether or not I'm going to the dog beach today. Adverb clauses always meet these requirements. An adverb clause contains a subject and a verb. Adverb clauses contain subordinate conjunctions that prevent them from containing complete thoughts and becoming full sentences. That is all the news you need to master adverb clauses.